Hey guys, what's up? Tommy here, and in this video today we're going to be installing the MoCreatures mod for Minecraft 1.0.0. So we're going to jump right into it since we've got 5 mods to install. So you want to go to the first link in the description, and this is the Dr. Zark's MoCreatures mod. And you just want to scroll down a bit and you'll see the MoCreatures mod version 3.0.0 zip, and you want to download that straight away. And you'll see under that other files needed, and that is the Modloader AudioMod, Gui Api, and custom mob spawner, and he's got links for them there. I'm not sure if they're all updated for 1.0.0. I'm not sure. They could be, but I've got the forum separate, so if you want to go on them just to make sure, which I'll provide the links also, all of them in the description. So once you get the Dr. Zark's MoCreatures mod downloaded, you want to move on to the second link in the description, which will be the custom mob spawner. And you want to scroll down a bit and you'll see the custom mob spawner version 1.3 from Minecraft 1.0, and you just want to click on that link and you can go download that. And the next one is the Modloader and AudioMod. That will also be in the description. You just want to scroll down and you'll see Modloader 1.0.0, and you can download whichever link you want to. And also with the AudioMod, if you scroll down you'll also find that, and you can download whichever one you want. So that's 4 mods you should have downloaded by now. And the last one is the Gui Api, which is just right at the download. It'll say it right there in blue writing, and you can go and download that also. So all them links will be in the description. So once you get them on your desktop or wherever you have them, you can put them in a row how we're going to be installing them. So it's going to be Modloader, AudioMod, Gui Api, Custom Mob, Spawner, and Dr. Zark's MoCreatures. It doesn't matter. It's just the way that we're going to be installing them today. So you want to go down to the Windows icon and you want to type in the search bar, type in %app data %, and you'll get a Roman folder. Inside here you'll have a .minecraft folder, and you want to create a backup before we do anything in case you get a black screen, which most people are familiar with. So you just want to make a backup in case anything does go wrong. So yeah, you just want to right click on it. You want to go copy, and you want to right click on your desktop or wherever you want to put your backup. Just remember where you put it, and you can paste it. So mine is there on my desktop in case anything does go wrong. Now we're going to click on the .minecraft and you'll have the bin, resources, saves, etc. I'm going to go into the bin straight away. Inside here you'll have a Minecraft.jar. It could be called Minecraft on some PCs. It depends on what PC you have, or what settings you have on your PC also. So yeah, you just want to click on that, and once you found it you want to go open with Winrar Archiver. And if you don't have an archiver program, I suggest using 7-zip or Winrar. I'm using Winrar. So yes, this window will pop up. The one that you just popped up before this that we were using, you can just leave that aside. And now you want to put the Minecraft.jar full screen, so everyone should be looking at something similar to this. And you want to just right click on the me.INF first. So once you're in here you'll see a me.INF folder in capitals. You want to right click on it and you want to go delete files. It says are you sure, and you want to press yes. And once that's done, you want to go install Modloader first. So you want to click on that, drag this over to the side, make sure that's in a kind of a smaller window, and it does matter I suppose, just so you can get a better look at it. And go back in your Minecraft.jar and you just want to highlight all the class files up to the very top class file. Make sure you want to drag all of them down by the class file inside the Minecraft.jar. The setting will pop up, make sure it's on add and replace files, press OK, and it should do a little flash meaning extracted, and you can exit out of that. And then you want to move on to your AudioMod. So open this up, it should have like 3 things in it, 2 folders and a class file. You go back in your Minecraft.jar, highlight the 3 things, and you just want to drag it and also in by the class files. Make sure it's on add and replace files, press OK. Every time you're exiting out of this, don't press the red button that'll exit out of it altogether, just press the minimize and that will close it. So you can exit out of your AudioMod now since that's gone. We're finished with it. And you want to move on to your Gui Api, open that, and you want to drag it over to the side also. Go back on your Minecraft.jar and you want to go on your Gui Api, make sure you highlight from DE, the DE folder, down to the very bottom. Once you've got that, you just want to drag them down with the class files, it'll start extracting. Don't worry about this, it's only the extracting window. Make sure it's on add and replace files, press OK. So now once that's done, you got the 3 mods installed, that's the Modloader, AudioMod, and Gui Api. You can exit out of your Minecraft.jar. We're finished with that. and you're also finished with the Gui API. So we're left with the custom mob spawner and the Dr. Stark smoke creatures. So go back on the folder that you left open, which was in the bin, and click the .minecraft at the top or the back arrow, and this will bring you back to the bin just after the .minecraft. If you exit out of that, just type in %update or %Roman and then .minecraft, and you'll be here where I am. So now what you want to do is you want to go into resources, double click that, and you could have another 3 folders in here called new sound, and I don't know the rest, but you could have another one. The only reason mine aren't there is because it's a brand new Minecraft .minecraft folder which I just created, and that's the only reason why they haven't popped up yet, because I haven't played Minecraft. But yours will be there. But now what we're going to do is go and click on the Dr. Stark mode creatures, and in here you'll see a resources folder. You want to double click on that, and you'll have a folder in here called mod, and you want to drag that folder inside the resources folder inside the .minecraft. So you should just get a better look at this. So you just want to drag that in, and it should be in there now, and click the double dot at the top, double click it, and it'll bring you back to the beginning, the very start of the Dr. Stark mode creatures, or just exit out of it and go to it again. So once you got that done, all you have to do is click the .minecraft at the top or the back arrow to go back to the bin again. Inside here, you won't have a mods folder unless you've installed a mod before and you needed it to be made. So if you don't have one, just create a new one. You shouldn't. The majority of you shouldn't have it. So yeah, just create a new one. Just go new mods. Make sure it's in lowercase letters, and just open it up, and it should be empty because it's brand new. And on the Dr. Stark mode creatures, there's a mods folder too. You want to double click it. Inside here you'll have a mode creatures.zip, and you just want to drag that into the mods folder we just created inside the .minecraft, and you can exit out of that. And the last thing we're left with is the custom mob spawner. You double click that, and actually we're going to drag that whole Winrar zip file, the custom mob spawner, inside here. So you're going to drag it in, the whole thing inside there, and you can exit out of it, and you can open up your Minecraft now, and you can run it. So if you do get a black screen, all you do is replace your .minecraft. So if you did, just go back into your Roman, %updated show you now, and you want to go in your Roman, and if you do get if you get a black screen, just delete the .minecraft and replace it with your backup, and that should work. But like I said, you should come onto this and you should be working perfect. If you have any problems, leave a comment, and or you can just message me, and I will try to get back to all you if I can. And also leave comments what you think of 1.0.0, Minecraft 1.0. I think it's pretty good. I haven't played it much, but I think it's pretty good. Notch done a good job on it with Jeb. So yeah, it's pretty good. Saving chunks just with this. And you might not spot animals straight away. You might have to walk around a little bit. I had to do that a load of times with this mod, not just this mod, the other mods too. So I'm just gonna lower my graphics before we go anywhere, else it's gonna lag. And there isn't a bit of sound yet. Like I said, I've never played this Minecraft with my new Minecraft.jar, so that's why these sound folders will be popping up soon. And see if can we find nothing. They're the normal cows. That's nothing to do with those. Like I said, you might have to go look around. Squids, and there is a fox in the distance, as you can see that over there. Well, let's get a closer look. So yeah, it might take you a while. You can mess around with the settings in the mode creatures. You can put stuff up, but there's the fox, and yeah, there should be other animals, but global mod settings, and you can mess around with the settings in this. So if you want some type of animals to frequently spawn, you can put up to 10 for birds, and you know what I mean. So yeah guys, I hope this video helped. If it did, leave a rating, and if you have any other mods you'd like me to do, just leave a comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.